And just want to ask about personal relationships. As far as, you know, you're going after it, your goals in life. My body is one of the easiest things. I'll tear it apart to do whatever I have to do. But it's the mental thing. You know, you kind of get attached to, for me, it's a romantic relationship.
Right.
And I have certain goals I want to attain, but instinctually, I know this is going to hold me back, you know?
Well, I hate to tell you this, my friend. I hate to tell you this, but I'm going to tell you this anyway. You asked me a question. It's hard to answer this question, man, but I got to tell you the truth. You're never going to be happy 100% with anybody that you're with until you are happy with yourself 100%.
Gotcha.
So if you fuck around and say, "Oh, honey, I love you, I'm this and that shit that you got to do is going to fucking be right back here every fucking day you wake up.
Right.
And then one day you'll be too fucking old. And then one day you look at your fucking girl and be like, man, I fucking gave up this shit. So you're going to hold a grudge no matter what. So you might as well do you, finish you, make sure you feel good, and then you are totally open to a relationship. But until
Gotcha.
then, you're going to always be fucking haunted by the mere fact of, man, did I do the right thing? So I'm all about, man, you got to be 100% with yourself before you can be 100% with anybody else in your fucking life. You got to do you, man.
Got you. Thank you so much for that, Dave.